Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you? How is it going? I am good, and you? I am Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. We are today in the playlist of Gulf dialect sentences, Gulf dialect or Khaliji dialect sentences. So I will show you some vocabularies and sentences, and I will explain it to you one by one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all the dialects in my channel. So don't forget to check all the playlists. So now, let's start. Our sentence for today is, what do you want? It's the famous question, what do you want? But we will take it for male and female for only Gulf or Khaliji dialect. Now the first way to say what do you want? شو تريد? شو تريد? شو تريد? This is for male. What do you want? For male. The first way. شو تريد? What do you want? For male. For female, شو تريدي? Or شو تريدين? Again, first way. شو تريد for male. For female, شو تريدي? Or شو تريدين? Next one, what do you want? When you are asking male is إيش تريد? إيش تريد? إيش تريد? What do you want? When you ask a male. When you ask a female, إيش تريدي? Or إيش تريدين? إيش تريدي? Or إيش تريدين? Again, the second way. إيش تريد? For male. إيش تريدين? Or إيش تريدي? For female. Third way. What do you want? Is for male. ويش تريد? ويش تريد? For female. ويش تريدي? Or ويش تريدين? ويش تريدي? Or ويش تريدين? ويش تريدي or ويش تريدين. Fourth way. ويش تبغى? ويش تبغى or تبغى؟ تبغى or تبغى. For male, what do you want? ويش تبغى or ويش تبغى. For female, ويش تبغي or ويش تبغين. ويش تبغي or ويش تبغين. Fifth way. إيش تبغى or إيش تبغى. For male. إيش تبغى or إيش تبغى. For male. For female. إيش تبغي or إيش تبغين. إيش تبغي or إيش تبغين. Sixth way is ويش تبي? For male. What do you want? ويش تبي? ويش تبي? When you are talking to a female, what do you want is ويش تبين? ويش تبين? Last one. What do you want? For male is إيش تبي? إيش تبي? What do you want? For female, إيش تبين؟ إيش تبين؟ I should say an important note here. You can replace شو, إيش, ويش with شنو. So you can say شنو تريد, شنو تبغى, شنو تبي, شنو تبين, شنو تبغين, شنو تريدين, شنو تريدي. شنو تبغي. So you can replace شو and إيش and ويش with شنو. شنو شنو, and it means also what. Let's review them again. What do you want? شو تريد for male, إيش تريد for male, ويش تريد for male, ويش تبغى, إيش تبغى, ويش تبي, إيش تبي, all for male. For female, شو تريدي or شو تريدين, إيش تريدي or إيش تريدين, ويش تريدي or ويش تريدين, ويش تبغي or ويش تبغين, إيش تبغي or إيش تبغين, ويش تبين, ويش تبين, إيش تبين. And we said we can use شنو. Let's use شنو with each one. You can say شنو تريد or شنو تريدي or شنو تريدين, male and female. شنو تبغى or شنو تبغي for female or شنو تبغين for female. شنو تبي or شنو تبين, male and female. So this is our sentence for today. What do you want for male and female? Okay, this is our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all the dialects in my channel, and I have also Fusha Standard Arabic. And I upload videos daily. So I will see you tomorrow with a new video and new lesson. So see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam, peace.